Will Smith. What's wrong with Will Smith? What's wrong with something like this being played? You know? I do not drink. I think about my life. When I was young, I didn't want to have a wife. I drank 40s, Old English, and Mickey's. And then I took pills, and it didn't give me nothing but an excuse. And now I'm trying to use everything that I can and every opportunity. This is how I do it, man. I woke up today and I have a good plan. Open myself up to the world. I'm not in Wyoming, but Oklahoma City. And I did not die in that bombing. There is a lot of crying and mourning. And guess what? The next day, someone else died too. And behind you, there could have been someone smoking some crack residue. I don't know where it comes from. I'll tell you this much though. I don't smoke it. I don't support it. And I don't buy it. I don't even smoke a cigarette. I'm not a vet. I'm not a veterinarian. You know what? I'm a cab driver, aka a businessman. And I walk every day, man, with a clean head and a full tank of gas. And if it's not a full tank of gas, I'll tell you what, I got clean oil and good transmission fluid. And my coolant is really good, yo, just like my personality. And you know what? I am not a crier. I am a supplier of good moods, and when I retire, I'm gonna be rich. This is $150,000 for episodes through 5 seasons of Real World and Jersey Shores, man. I'm getting that. Minimum that.
Man, I used to love that video, man. It was just like the image that you wanted when you threw a